Most course creators stop at one sale. But for every student you gain, what if you could double your revenue with just a single click? Hey there, this is Nabila with Creator LMS, and today I'm going to show you how you can create one-click offers. It's one of the most underrated, yet one of the most effective ways to boost your course income. Your students are already in a buying mode, and it's totally psychological. So the chances that you're going to get 20 to 30% more conversions during a one-click offer. And the best part, you don't need any third-party app to do it. Creator LMS has it built in. So let's dive into it. To create the one-click offer, I'm going to go to the add-on section here. So once I click on it, you'll be able to see the one-click offer option from here. So here, if you enable this, the one-click offer will be enabled and you're gonna be able to add funnels inside your courses. Now, let's go over to one of my courses. So if I go to the courses tab here, you'll see that I have 3 courses for now. So the first course is digital marketing, then Python fundamentals and Python mastery. Now here, what I want to do is I want to create a funnel after the Python fundamentals for absolute beginners course has been bought by someone from my enrollees or my students. All right. So if I click on the edit option here, you'll see that my course is already created. What I'm going to do is click on next. Then I'm going to click next to another thing. Now you can see the one-click offer settings appears. So here you have to click on add new step. So once you do that, you'll be able to see the active steps on the left side and the step settings on the right side of the page. Now let me just make it clear that you don't need any external plugins to use this. You just need to enable the add-on and that's about it. And if you don't need this, you just can keep it as it is. Then what I'm going to do is click on the step type. Now I want an upsell course to add after someone checks out this Python fundamental course. So if I click on upsell here, you can see there's an option to add downsell as well. I'm going to click on upsell. Then I have to add an offer page. So previously I've already created an offer page. So I'm just going to go over and show you that. So if I click on the all pages, you'll see this one. So this one is basically the offer page that I created. Now if I remove this and go back, you can see that I'll be able to add an offer page here. So I'm going to add this, then I'm going to add the offer type. Now you can add course or a membership as an upsell offer. So if I click on the course, I have to select the course that I want to offer them. Now I want to offer a special discount on the Python advanced course. Now you can see I can select the Python mastery course and I have to add a discount amount. So let's say $50. It's $200 for the entire course and I'm offering them a $50 discount on the entire course. So after that, you can add a final thank you page, even if it's declined. Then you can go ahead and update that. So that's about it. Now I'm going to go over and buy the Python fundamental course. Now here, I'm going to click on the incognito tab. Then I'm going to check this out. So let's buy this one. So this is just for test purpose. So let's click on Stripe. This is it. 30, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go and complete the checkout. So let's wait. Now here is the upsell page. All right, so it's offering me a $50 discount on the $200 course. So basically I'm getting the course at only $150. So let's say I like the offer and I'm going to accept it. Let me just remind you, you can also edit the offer page and add decline button here as well. I just added the accept offer to show you. Now if I click on the accept offer, it takes me to the thank you page, and you can see the entire total amount has been added. So basically I'm getting the entire course and an additional course at only $200. So that's about it for the one-click offer. You can use the one-click offer strategy in different ways. For example, if someone buys your photography course, you can simply upsell them an advanced editing course. Or maybe someone is buying your fundamental course, you can easily go ahead and get them to purchase your advanced course at a discount, just like I showed you in my tutorial video. So with upsell offers, you can easily turn a single sale into a multiple one. So if you want to increase your revenue without running new ads or doing new launches, just go ahead and try one-click offer out. You're not going to regret this. So that's it for today. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you have any question, comment down below so that I can answer every one of your questions. Take care for today. I'll see you in my next video.